Come on, I can't be the only one that carries jerky in their pocket. I know you do. Oh, that snowstorm's finally over. I feel like I'm doing this every day now, guys. Winter is officially here. All right, so like I said in the last video, I still need at least another cord of wood out here, so I'm gonna go get some gas and get started on that. So let's go. Hey, how are you?
Good, sweetie. How are you?
Good.
Got everything over here?
Yeah.
Everything looks good, okay.
All right, real quick, guys. I want to let you know that I created an Instagram account for this channel where I could post pictures of what I'm doing at the cabin and some of my adventures and even some tunes. So if you're interested in checking that Instagram out, I put a link in the description, or you can click on the community tab and there's a little post there that has the link as well. But all right, hope to see you there, guys. So, you know, I don't know, I mean, it might have been a few years ago on this channel that I was out here around this time of the year, and I was saying how I felt like I walked through the wardrobe and went into like Narnia. And I still get that feeling out here, especially this time of year. You know, thankfully I'm not driving an hour to the city anymore for work, but when I was, you know, I'd just be in that congested, just crazy area, and then coming back to the cabin when my day was over and walking out here was like walking through that wardrobe for me. And one thing I'm extremely happy about is it's going on, it's been what, over 4 years, going on 5 years, and I still love it just as much. So that tells me I made the right choices. Time to get back to work. Wood's not gonna cut itself. Well, today's a change of pace. It's got to about 40 degrees today. It's the past week, it's just been all these little mini storms, 2-3 inches at a rip over and over again. But yeah, this video is kind of short and sweet. I've never been one of those people on YouTube to really soak up the minutes showing you me splitting each piece of wood individually. When I make a video, if I watch it and I'm like, that bores me, I'm definitely not going to put it on YouTube. So short and sweet, but I just wanted to say, I hope all of you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I hope you get to spend it with family or friends. I really hope that for you, and if not, send me a message. I'll be around. You guys have become my friends and family on here, and a lot of you have been with me through the years, and I can't say enough how much I really appreciate that, guys. And I appreciate the connections that we've built, and yeah, still almost 5 years later, it means the world to me. So with that being said, guys, this is Off Grid Bo. Have a wonderful and blessed day and Thanksgiving, and I hope it's amazing, and eat a lot of food. All right, guys, bye.